Let's understand the poem. What is the central idea of the poem? Beautiful experience have long lasting effects. The setting of the poem is the mountain region of Scotland. Who are the people described in the poem? The poet and the solitary Highland lass. Who does the expression Highland lass refer to? Why does he describe her as a young solitary Highland lass? It refers to a girl who lives in the Highlands of Scotland. He describes her as solitary because she is reaping and singing by herself. What is the girl doing? She is cutting and binding the grain. Who does the poet say, stop here or gently pass? Why does he say so? The poet said this to anyone present. He said it so they do not disturb the girl. Pick out the words which tell that the girl does not have anyone by her side. The words are single, solitary, by herself, and alone. What is the tone of the song? Happy, sad, soothing, or sympathetic? The tone is melancholy, means sad and soothing. Overflowing with the sound. Explain. It means the sound of her song fills the valley. The solitary report's long sorry. The solitary report's song reminds the poet of other singers. Who are they? The nightingale and the cuckoo bird. Who sings welcome notes? Where? For whom? What for? The nightingale sings welcome notes in shady haunts among Arabian sands for weary bands of travelers to provide comfort. Whose voice is thrilling? The voice of cuckoo bird is thrilling. Where does it sing? When? It sings among the farthest hybrid in the springtime. Who does Wordsworth compare the farmer girl with? Why? He compare her with the nightingale and the cuckoo because her voice is even more thrilling. The peasant girl's song is not intelligible to the poet because her song is in a dialect, that means native language, he does not understand. What does the phrase humbly mean? It means an ordinary song. The expression plaintive numbers refer to sad music. Pick out another phrase in the poem carrying the same meaning. Melancholy strain. What does the poet mean to say as if her song could have no ending? She keeps on singing and seems not to end. The poet listens motionless and still because the rich melodious voice of the singer hold him mesmerized and spellbound. How did the song affect the narrator? The music in his heart was born long after it was heard no more. In stanza 1 and stanza 2, four words and phrases have been used to show that the girl working in the field is without anyone by her. Pick out these words and phrases: single, solitary, by herself, and alone. The theme of the Solitary Reaper song contains sadness. What other words used to place upset, melancholy, and plaintive? What are the two synonyms for the young girl? Lass and maiden. Three other words are used to mean song. What are they? Strain, numbers, and lay. A melancholy strain in stanza 2 means sad song. Find out another page in stanza 5 with similar meaning. Plaintive numbers. Which words in stanza 5 express the poet's guess? Perhaps. Let's appreciate the poem. Describe what picture on the valley and the farm worker comes to your mind as you read the poem. The poem creates a picture of a deep valley in the Scottish Highlands. A solitary girl is alone in the field, reaping grain and singing a melancholy song that fills the profound valley. Why do you think Wordsworth has chosen the song of the nightingale and the cuckoo for the comparison with the solitary reaper's song? Wordsworth uses the nightingale and cuckoo because they are celebrated in poetry for their beautiful, enchanting songs. By comparing the reaper's song to these birds, he highlights that her music is even more thrilling and welcome to the listener. Which song is sweeter according to the poet, the nightingale and the cuckoos, or the solitary reapers? According to the poet, the solitary reaper's song is sweeter. He finds her voice more thrilling than that of the cuckoo and more welcome than the notes of the nightingale.